We would like to share, because I promised this. I don't normally share this unless if you are proper in my course, but I'll share this. How you can get these properties without putting any of your money down. You don't have to put anything. You don't have to borrow someone money. You don't have to go to the bank, do anything, right? How do you do this? We did this recently, right? Not once, not twice. And the one in Liverpool I told you about SA, we're doing exactly the same thing. Again, we look for struggling landlord, right? You look for struggling landlord, someone who's struggling to rent their property. They're out there, okay? If I don't spell it right, please forgive me, okay? Struggling landlord, right? When you've got your struggling landlord, right, approach them. Who is struggling landlord? You can tell. When you view a property online, you can see through the photos. It's not looking after the house. It looks horrible. That's a telltale sign. Or whenever you want to book an appointment, he's not there. It means he hasn't got time to manage the property. Have you ever seen properties that don't have any photos? That's a sign as well to say he's not looking after. He's even shy to put the photos up. Right? So what you then do, you find that landlord. When you find that it's not an easy thing to find, but you can get it. They're out there. So the next thing then you do, you go and view the property and find out why the landlord hasn't rent this property out. Right? Why the property is vacant, right? Once you understand why the property is vacant, he might tell you, I'm busy, or I have a restaurant to run, I have family commitment, so obviously I don't have time, that's the reason why the property is vacant, or they will give you a reason, right? And then you then tell them you're happy to take on the property from them, right? With guaranteed rent, no voids, free repairs, free maintenance, and 3 to 5 years. Right? And you need to tell them also, don't worry about the condition of the property. Don't worry about the condition of the property. I'll sort it out. That's what you're going to tell them. You know, I know your property is not amazing, but I will look after it. Right? I will make sure that I renovate it, get you new furniture. And by the way, if I ever had the property back to you, you can have the furnitures. Right? Once you've agreed to this concept, what you now do is, okay, now you accept that. Do you want me to pay you anything? Right? He would say, no, my word is my bond. I accept. So now you're going to walk through the properties. Okay, now actually, Ilham, you know, I think it's going to take me a bit of time to do the work. Is there a way I can get rent-free period? Right? If you want 6 weeks, you ask for 10 weeks or 8 weeks. Right? Because when he said that, he was saying, no, I cannot do 10 weeks. I cannot. But I can do 8 weeks. Yeah? That's your 8 weeks there. Right? You've got your 8 weeks rent-free period. Okay? But what you need to do, you need to build a rapport with them so they can trust you to give you the keys to do the works. Right? You can say, okay, now you can give me the key to today or tomorrow, I can do the works. Right? So what you then do, you go and advertise the property online. Right? You find kind of dummy photos, not real photo of the property. Nice photo, put it there. Then tenant will contact you. I'm interested in renting a house. So, okay, fantastic, no problem at all. The property may not be exactly the way it is online because we're working on it. Are you okay with that? They will say, okay. They will book a viewing. Before they approach the house, tell them exactly, we're working on the property. It's not an amazing property right now, but you can have a look at it, pick the room you want. Once we're done, we can tell you when to come and look at the property. So those 10, you know you've got 8 weeks now, right? And you haven't got shit money to do the works. So what now you do, what you then do, you get these people. And when you're booking the viewings, key, very key, don't book one person. Make sure you have minimum of 10 or 15 people to view the property. Prolong the viewing date, right? So that you got more people. When more people come in, it's competition, right? Oh, I want to get my room, I want to get a room, I want to get a room. Competition is happening, okay? Everybody wants to take a room. It puts you at a better position, right? So when they come then, they say they want the room. So, okay, now if you want to reserve this room, for you to reserve the room, we need you to pay £250 reservation fee. Yeah? Reservation fee. So once they pay that £250, what you then do, if it's a 5 bedrooms, you times that by 5. How much is this times 5? That's 1,000? 1,250. 1,250. Yeah? So you see now you've got 1,250 by magic. So what you now do, you go say, landlord, now, say you agree to rent the property for £1,000. It's okay now, you know, I don't want to wait until I take on the property. I'll give you £500 now towards the deposit. You then use this £750 to renovate the house. Baba, is this not what we did recently? Exactly what we did. Right? You get a property for absolutely nothing. Right? Baba did not even spend $750 to do the property up. Less than that. Right? So guess what happened now? What we did, we make sure they move almost the same day. Right? So they pay us the rent. We pay the landlord the remaining money. And we had the price. Guess what? We had that property for over 8 weeks rent-free period. Maybe we had it for 12 weeks. Absolutely, he handed the keys over to me. Landlord, here you go, Rahim, do whatever you want to do with the property. Right? And then we did all that work. Rent hasn't started a week, 2 weeks after our tenant already moved in. There you go. Right? So that's how we did it. Right? But what we did, we synchronized it well because Baba was near me. I was guiding him what to do. Right? So I've done that lots of times. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, implement it and go and execute it. And then hopefully you'll start to invest to generate passive income as well as to be able to have appreciating asset. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these amazing tutorials. I look forward to sharing the next video.